Good morning, everybody. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a vlog. Well, it is going to be a vlog. I'm going to do a little bit of a get ready with me. It's about like 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is the Good Molecules Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer. I've already done my skincare routine for the day. I'm going to go a little bit glam today because I really want to try these magnetic lashes by Kiss. So it comes with the liner and the eyelashes, and it's supposed to be like magnetic. It just like fits right on the eyeliner. So I'm going to try that out and see how it works today. And then I finally got to go to the store and pick up 2 more different shades of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This one is medium neutral and this one is medium beige. So we're going to see which one kind of works for my skin type for concealer. So I'm just going to take those out now because we all know I'm not the greatest at packaging. Hope everyone's weekend was really good. So you're going to be seeing this vlog on the Tuesday, I think. If you are new to my channel, I've been doing Vlogmas videos. Usually I just do makeup videos because I'm a freelance makeup artist. But now I'm trying to incorporate different type of content because mainly I've just done Charlotte Tilbury reviews. I've done a couple different makeup brands, but we'll see where this kind of goes. The reason why I'm doing vlogs is I'm doing Vlogmas. So if you're watching this, you're watching Vlogmas, obviously. And I might just do Monday to Friday from now on. So if you don't see a vlog or a video on a Saturday or Sunday through the month of December before Christmas, I've decided that it might be a little bit much because I took this past weekend off. So if you're seeing this video is supposed to go up on the Tuesday. And I didn't have a video go up on Sunday or Saturday. This past weekend I just needed it off. I needed a little bit of a break. It was just getting a little bit much between everything. I will link some videos down below if you kind of want to know more a little bit about me and what's happening. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the get ready. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the color number 4, which is a neutral. Now this one does oxidize. It looks very white on me to begin with. Now a lot of people don't put foundation over their eyelids. I do, just because I use it as an extra base and it kind of neutralizes all the pinks and the reds that I usually get from my eczema or my allergies. I was watching one of my videos and I didn't get the inner corner of the eye and it was driving me nuts when I was editing it. So now it's like an extra step that I get the inner side corner of the eye. I think it was like the Vlogmas video where I did the all drugstore red lip. I'll link that below in case you're interested. Yeah, it just kind of drove me a little batty. So now I'm constantly trying to get the inner corner when I'm filming. Alright, so let's try these out on the back of my hand. I have the color medium beige, which is darker. And then I have medium neutral, which is lighter, and I think I might end up going with the other one. The reason why I like to swatch these on the back of my hand is because they do oxidize and I kind of can pick the color a little bit better that way. This is a much better shade for me, but I just want it a tad bit darker. So I'm going to be mixing that with the other one, and then that way I'm getting kind of that shade, which is more skin tone. So I'm just going to apply that. How is everyone doing as far as Christmas shopping? Are you guys done? Are you ready for the holidays? Do you celebrate Christmas? Do you have plans? Do you celebrate Hanukkah? We are supposed to wrap things up this week because by now we are about 2 weeks out from Christmas, and then my dad's birthday is on right before Christmas and he's going to be 65, so it's going to be like a really big birthday. And then after Christmas is my mom's birthday. She's born right after New Year's, so it's kind of nice. It's very, very busy. January and December are very busy months for birthdays and families, and even though we're kind of doing like social distance birthdays and stuff this year and social distance Christmas, hopefully next year it'll be much better and we can all kind of get back to a different type of normal, but maybe like a better new normal where we can see each other and maybe just a little bit cleaner. I'm going in with the ABH Brow Dip in taupe. I have to do my brows. This is a little crazy. And this year we haven't really seen anybody aside from our immediate family, like no aunts, uncles, or anything, just because of this whole situation. So we're gonna have a quiet Christmas. And hopefully next Christmas we can have a really big Christmas and see everybody again, but just to play on the safe side, we're not really doing that. But I'm always interested in knowing what you guys are doing. So are you kind of seeing people? Are you flying people out? Or are you gonna just kind of stay at home and stay like to your immediate people in your household? Alright, so blush is done. Now for eyes, since I said we're gonna go a little bit glam. Actually, I've been reaching for this lately. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, their holiday collection for this year. I will leave this link down below. I have a couple videos on it. The Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. Obviously, the second one in the Happy Glow trio, that brown. I'm just going to use that as a crease color. I might do it a little bit glittery today. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like we need something outside. It's been like so drab lately and cold, and there's no sun, and it's always just been cloudy and gray. And when it's like cloudy and gray and cold, it kind of just puts a little bit of a damper on your mood. Like there's no snow, because like I said, we usually get a lot of snow, but our snow mainly comes more in like end of December into January and February, and then sometimes we get a couple snowstorms in November, early December, but it never really sticks around because we kind of have like a fluctuation of it getting hot and then cold and hot and like maybe like 7 Celsius. So okay, I'm just gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna go in with the number 2 in the Love Glow trio, the pink. And I'm going to start this off as a base. So this color kind of surprised me because when I first got this palette, it looks a little bit more rose tone. And then it comes out a little bit more like Barbie pink than like a rose pink. It looks a little bit more subtle in the pan. So just be aware of that. I'm going to go in with the gold, the number 3 in the Happy Glow trio, again with my finger. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. So in the inner corner, I'm going to pop that in the center of the eyelid. Actually, you know what? I might just go right over it to kind of give it more of a rose gold and less of a Barbie pink. Well, now this is looking more coral, but now I want to go in with a bit of that purple, that number 3 color from the Dream Glow trio. I'm going to go in with a pointed pencil brush. This is, I think this is a Morphe brush, a Morphe M139 brush. I don't even know if they still make these. This is a very old brush. So I'm going in with the number 3 from the Dream Glow trio. I'm going to start working that in the outer corner and then up into the crease. I initially planned to go for like a light glittery look, and now it's kind of turning into this metallic color look. I think I did the same look in my video when I reviewed this, and I was just kind of playing around with a whole bunch of different colors from this palette. But maybe that's what I need right now, is some color, because I feel like everything's so gray and drab and like wool. Okay. Just gonna blend that out now. I don't know, do you guys have seasonal depression? I wouldn't say I had seasonal depression. I just feel like when it's sunny outside and there's snow on the ground, I find I'm a lot happier than when it's like gray and cold and no snow. Gotta go back in with that number 3 from the Happy Glow, that gold, and I just touch up the center. I'm gonna go back in with this teeny tiny brush and that same dark purple from the Dream Glow trio, and I'm just gonna put this right in the crease to kind of define the crease even more. Then for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna drag the purple color down here again with the same little brush. And then I'm going to go in with the number 1 from the Dream Glow trio, and I'm actually going to pop that on the high point of my brow. So now we're going to go in and try the magnetic lashes. So first I'm supposed to put on the magnetic eyeliner. It's supposed to last up to 16 hours. It's wind resistant, it's wind resistant and reusable, and it's got 5 tacks. I might have to cut this a little bit because my eyes are tend to be a little small, but we will see. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I'm going to put on the magnetic liner first. It's a super fine tip. I'm going to do a really thin line because I don't know where these lashes are going to end up. So it's quite a fine, thin line there. I'm going to do one side first. Do I have to let this dry? What do the instructions say? I don't know if I should put it on a wet. Okay, so line the liner along the lash line. Wait for it to dry. Okay, so you do have to wait for it to dry down, and then you can apply the lash right on. So in that case, I'm just going to do the other eye really quickly. Okay, so this liner does take some finessing. I think that this is something you'd have to get used to practice using. I like my felt tip eyeliners. I'm not a big fan of liquid eyeliners. So we have to let that dry. It doesn't say putting on mascara. So I'm going to put on mascara. I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Volumalash. And I'm going to put it on one eye and see if that makes a difference. And then on this side, I'm not going to apply it. I only want to see. So there's magnetic clips on here so you can reattach it. So keep this. So I'm just going to pull that off gently. I might have to cut a clip off. I think this is going to be too long for my eye. Okay, so there's 2 metal clips on that actually you can put it back, which is great. I'm going to like zoom you guys in. I'm not going to talk about the brow hair. Okay. We will get that situated. So this is the little lash. So I'm just going to look down and then see. These are really light. I'm just going to pop that on. Okay, so that's what they look like on. They feel really light. It doesn't feel like anything is on my eye. But I don't think I did the wing thick enough, so you want to make sure you're doing a thick wing liner because this one's kind of falling off here, like it's not even attached. That was probably the easiest I've ever put lashes on. Now let's try it on the other one where there's no, you know what? I want to make this line a little bit thicker. We're supposed to let that dry. So in the meantime, let's take these off. Okay. This might be a little bit long for my eye, but I think I can maneuver the end. So I'm going to go in and I want to make sure that I'm going to thicken up that outer edge. We're going to let that dry down. Remember, mascara, no mascara. Okay, now let's take it on the eye that has no mascara and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so that one was a little bit more difficult to put on, but again, I think they're a little bit long. I might have to cut off one of the end clips, but yeah. Definitely wear mascara because it kind of lifts it up. Right now, this one's looking a little bit more droopy. I mean, these are pretty cool, but like, I don't know, I think I prefer regular lashes, honestly. So it lifts a lot better when you have mascara on versus when you don't have mascara on and you just have the lashes on. It does make a little bit of a difference. I'm going to zoom you guys back out. And they are a little big, so I'm going to have to cut the ends off. These are very natural looking. I mean, they're easy to put on. Just a couple tips. I'm going to take them off now. Make sure your line is way thicker than the one I did. You also want to adjust these for your eye shape, so you might have to cut the ends a little bit. Overall, I'm going to rate the Kiss Magnetic eyeliner and lashes probably a 6 out of 10. Like, it's good. It's just not my personal preference and not what I would normally do. So I need to apply mascara. But if you are somebody who hates applying fake lashes, that's super easy. Just make sure you adjust it for your eye shape. And you wear mascara and you do a really thick line with that eyeliner. Okay, so for lips I went in with, this is Charlotte Tilbury Tinted Love Santa Euphoria. On my cheeks as well, I lined my lips with MAC Whirl. And then in the center of my lips, and I kind of spaced it out on top, I went in with L'Oreal Paris. This is 418 Eye Empower. Alright guys, so now I gotta finish getting ready for today. I have to edit some Vlogmas videos. Like I said, if you're new here, I will probably not be doing Vlogmas on weekends anymore. It's getting to be a little bit much. So if I don't upload on next Saturday or Sunday, because the time you see this, it's going to be probably Tuesday or Monday, the time this one goes up. I might just keep it Monday to Friday just to make it a little bit easier. You know, it's Vlogmas, there are no dedicated rules, and my audience is quite small, so I don't think you guys would mind. Hi guys, so it's about like 7:30 at night. I'm going to end the vlog here today. I didn't get around to wrapping or anything. Dayton's kind of been a handful all day. I think it's time we schedule his snip appointment. But I will see you in tomorrow's vlog, and I will be doing a lot more Christmassy stuff. Is just today did not pan out the way I thought it was going to, but it kind of did give me some ideas for some future videos on my channel, which I'm kind of excited about. So I think I'm just going to keep this video about the magnetic lashes. If you're seeing this now, I probably cut out some of the day. It's probably just boring. We weren't really doing that much anyways. So I'm going to say goodnight here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye guys.